What's up, guys? This is Coach Johnson coming to you guys a video again with another video about Chapter 1, A Geographer's World. Today, we're going to get started talking about geography themes and essential elements. All right, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the 5 themes of geography. So, geographers use these themes or ideals in their work, just like every other job. These geography themes can be applied to nearly everything that geographers study. The 5 major themes are location, place, human, environment, interaction, movement, and regions. So the first one we're going to talk about is locations. Every point on Earth has a location. A description of where it is, this location can be expressed in many ways. Sometimes a site's location is expressed in a specific or absolute term, such as an address. For example, the White House is on 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. A specific description like this one is called an absolute location. Other times, the site location is expressed in general terms. And this general description of where a place lies is called a relative location. Place. Another thing, place is closely related to the location. However, place does not refer simply to where an area is, it refers to the area's landscape, the features that define the area and make it different from other places, like your address. Such features can include land, climate, people. Together, they give a place its own character. Human environment interaction. In addition to looking at the features of places, geographers explain how those features interact. In particular, they want to understand how people interact with their environment, how people in their physical environment affect each other. An area's environment includes its land, water, climate, plants, and animals. People interact with their environment every day in all sorts of ways. They clear forests to plant crops. They level fields to build cities and dams and rivers to prevent floods. At the same time, physical environments can affect how people live. Movement. People are consistently moving. They move from city to city, between cities, and between countries. Okay. Geographers want to know why and how. For example, they ask to see if people are moving to find work, or they want to live in a safer environment, or they want to go to a better school, or things like that. I know we use the example about Tallahassee and the new high school and what that could possibly do for the city. Geographers also study the roads and the routes that make movement so common. Regions. You have already learned about how geographers divide the world into many regions to help study the geography. Creating region also makes it easier to compare places. Comparisons help geographers learn why each place is different from the other. So now we're going to talk about the 6 essential elements. The 5 things of geography are not the only things or the only ways geographers use to study the planet. They also use a system of essential elements and natural standards. Together, these themes and essential elements and standards identify the most important ideas on the study of geography. Initially, the elements are based on geography standards and acts as a bridge between the themes and the standards. The 6 essential elements are the world in spiritual terms, place and regions, physical systems, human systems, environment and society, and the use of geography. So that is it for section 3. A very quick section. Just a reminder, continue to study, work on your study guide. And tomorrow we will sit here. We'll be back again for section 3, the branches of geography. Stay safe, wear your mask, and go Tigers.